Motorola is gearing up to release its next Edge 20 lineup. It reportedly includes the Edge 20, Edge 20 Pro, and Edge 20 Lite. Today, renders of the Motorola Edge 20's global variant have surfaced, giving us our best look at the smartphone yet. The global version of Motorola Edge 20 is built around a 6.7 inches display surrounded by slim bezels on the left and right side and a chin, which the source says could be bigger than it appears in the renders. On the display side of things, the 6.7 inches OLED screen has Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and a punch hole which reportedly houses a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. Around the back, we have a triple camera setup consisting of 108-megapixel primary camera, 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, an 8-megapixel unit will use a telephoto lens, and have 3x zoom. The camera sensors are vertically stacked with an LED flash placed beside the third lens. The Edge 20 has the volume rocker on the right side frame joined by the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom of the Edge 20 is a USB-C port flanked by a speaker, microphone, and a SIM card slot, with the top housing the secondary mic. The smartphone doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll have to rely on wireless earphones if you want to listen to music when charging the smartphone. The Motorola Edge 20 will have the Snapdragon 778G chipset, while the Pro version will likely come with Snapdragon 870 at the helm, with 6 or 8 GB RAM and 128 or 256 GB storage. It is 8.9mm thick, 11.6mm with a camera bump, and fueling the entire package will be a 4,000 mAh battery. The pricing details will be known as the device approaches its launch. For now, the renders in these specs are what's known of the devices. So yeah, what do you guys think? Will the device be a worthy competitor in today's market? Let me know in the comments section. Until then, see you guys later.